Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing Carsiv.io in 2026. What it is, how it works, what it costs, and whether it's worth your money. I'll keep this short and straight to the point, so let's dive in. What is Corsiv.io? Corsiv.io claims to be an online learning platform focused on AI skills, tools, and business oriented AI training. It positions itself as a place to learn how to use AI to boost careers, start gigs, or automate workflows. Features. Here's what you get: bite sized lessons on AI tools and applications, interactive quizzes and exercises, mobile optimized experience, beginner friendly explanations of concepts, but there is no live coaching, no job placement, and the content is largely text based rather than deep hands on training. Pricing. Pricing can be confusing. Here's how it usually works. Starts with a low introductory price, often $19. After that initial period, the subscription automatically renews at a higher rate, often around $39.99 per month. The problem: many users report that the subscription renews if you do not cancel at least 24 hours before the billing cycle ends, and the charges can show up unexpectedly. Pros. Positive points some users mention. Some beginners find the lessons clear and easy to follow. Teaches basic AI tool understanding in simple language. Mobile friendly interface. So if you are totally new to AI, it might help you get started. Cons. Now the major downsides, and there are a lot of complaints about this platform. Recurring charges and billing issues. Many users report being charged higher subscription fees without clear notice or consent. Refund problems. Users say refunds are hard to get, even with a so called money back guarantee. Low quality content. Numerous reviews describe the lessons as very basic or generic, sometimes just AI generated text. Poor customer support. Support is often said to be unhelpful or unresponsive. Potential misleading marketing. Some claims and endorsements on their site may be exaggerated or unverified. In short, many users feel the value doesn't match the cost, especially compared to free resources online. So these are the downsides, and you all know nothing is perfect. Is it worth it in 2026? So is Cursive.io worth your money in 2026? Honestly, it depends on your goals. If you are a complete beginner and want very, very basic AI explanations, some people do find it useful. But if you are serious about learning real AI skills or want deep, actionable lessons, this probably isn't the best investment. Infosys report that you can learn more and better quality content for free on YouTube, blogs, and other courses. And if you are concerned about unexpected billing or poor customer service, you are not done. A lot of complaints online focus on those issues. Final verdict: Courses.io is technically a platform with educational material, but many users find it overpriced for the value offered. And there are significant concerns about billing, refunds, and content quality. If you decide to try it, read the point before entering your credit card details and be prepared to cancel early if you do not like it. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe to this channel in order to get more honest reviews.